When I was 15, my dad bought me this camera. My mom asked, what the hell is he going to do with a camera? True story. So I started out in rock and roll photography. I used to go on the road with bands and tour, and it really helped me develop my style of how I shoot today. And it all started with a friend at a record company who wanted her wedding shot. And she asked me, Jeff, will you shoot my wedding? And I kind of thought to myself, I said, well, I've never shot a wedding before. Her answer was, I've never been married before. We always compare ourselves and look at other people's photos and think, I'll never be able to do that. But yes, you can, I assure you. And I want to teach you. My goal in this 2-day workshop is for you to discover who you are and have your ideal clients find you. I want you to be able to attract your ideal couple because of the photographer you've become in this course. I don't want you to be a checkmark on someone's wedding list. I want them to seek you out because of what you've learned. In this workshop, we're going to cover a lot of different things. My thought process throughout the day, starting with the bridal prep, the reception, and everything in between. How I read a room, my gear selection, what I use, when I use it, how I see composition, lighting, what I look for in that lighting. And of course, that dirty word, flash photography. We're going to go over all my signature photos. No secrets here. In this course, I am literally going to hand you ideas and inspiration you're going to walk out with. So if you're ready to think differently, see differently, and be differently, this is the course for you. I don't want you to be me. I want you to be better than me. I'm Jeff Tisman. This is my creative workshop. Yeah, we happy.